I was in the chat, that not much has happened today. It's been holiday. So guess what Barney wants? Hang on, boy. Let me happy. Just drop a drink. No than a dribble there, but he likes his nightcap, don't you, boy? Is it all gone? There you go. So yes, Barney loves his cuppa. He drank it, darling. So what you've been up to me about the boring, quiet day? Nothing going on really. Well, I'm in the look at all the housing going up around here in the lagoon and pool. I wonder who that'll be for. Hotels are full of people and tellers don't want and then realising they've been had over by the government. So the issue is they want these dinghy divers out a refit and when the dinghy divers go nuts right into brand new houses. And if they're not to the desired requirements, they smash them up, open them down. But fuck us, we don't matter. This Pebbles is here, having a cuddle. Oh, puppy, I keep getting winded pops. So what else is going on? Not much. I mean, where is a certain TW gone to in days? Are they giving up the channel or what? I don't know. 'Cause we haven't seen nothing from them lately. But yeah, I just thought I'd nip in, say good evening, good night, and all that. Bonnie's gone to sleep, let me had his cup of coffee, little monkey. Look, it literally has gone to sleep. Look, walk. that same until the morning. Yeah, and he looked for who's coming. He starts looking at about 8:15. He knows when they're due. So yeah. So what up to discuss tonight? Don't actually know. Oh yeah, apparently Falmouth Hotel are taking in dinghy divers. Apparently, I read something earlier from Pirate FM News, so more likely sourcing Cornwall Live comic news. So yes, they're coming by dinghy to Falmouth now. So we will see what goes on there. Unfortunately, I don't drive, and Falmouth would be a stretch for my wheelchair, so I won't be looking at that one. I'm still keeping an eye on what's happening up the road, 'cause they're still working on that, but I'll let you know what that's about. It's been looking, there's no planning announcement anywhere. I have looked, so we'll wait and see. But it looks like if you go to GB News, Nigel Farage found out about Falmouth Hotel taking dinghy divers. Take a look, it's on GB News. Right, that's me for today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye all.